Hey there viewers, welcome back to our channel. Do you drink coconut water daily? If not, you might want to consider it after watching this video. Coconut water is a refreshing and tasty drink derived from the center of the green coconut fruit. Some of this coconut water ripens into the coconut meat, which is the solid white flesh we all love snacking on. In today's video, we'll be talking about all the potential positive changes it can bring to your body if you drink it daily. Can it fight oxidative stress? Is it beneficial for reducing blood pressure? What about its status as a natural sports drink? We'll be discussing all of this and more. First, let's talk about reducing oxidative stress. During metabolism, your body produces free radicals, especially when you're suffering from injury or stress. Too many free radicals in the body can harm your health, leading to cell damage and an increased risk of chronic illness. Experts believe coconut water contains antioxidants that fight off free radicals, preventing the oxidative stress caused by them. One study noted that rats with liver damage showed a significant reduction in free radicals when treated with coconut water. In another study, rats on a high fructose diet were given coconut water, and it was noted that free radical activity decreased along with triglycerides, blood pressure, and insulin levels. So, drink more coconut water, but make sure it's fresh. The fresher the coconut water, the more antioxidants they carry. It was recently discovered that heat pasteurization and processing lead to fewer antioxidants in coconut water. Second, let's talk about increasing nutrition. Coconut is botanically considered a fruit, not a nut, like many of us thought it to be. It's a fruit that offers a lot of nutrition. Don't confuse coconut water with coconut milk, both are different. Coconut water forms naturally inside the fruit and contains very little fat, along with 94% water. Coconut milk is made by mixing water with grated coconut meat. It contains 50% water and is significantly higher in coconut fat in comparison to coconut water. 1 cup of fresh coconut water derived from a young green coconut offers 46 calories, along with 3 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, and 9 grams of carbs. Drinking 1 cup of coconut water, which is around 240 milliliters, will help you meet your 10% recommended daily intake of vitamin C, 15% of your recommended magnesium, and 17% of manganese. Wait, that's not all. It also provides you with potassium, sodium, and calcium, meeting the daily recommended intake of 17%, 11%, and 6%, respectively. Drinking coconut water daily will help your body get important minerals. Third, let's talk about rehydration. When you work out, you lose electrolytes through sweat. This is why it's recommended to drink something nutritious that can help balance these lost electrolytes. It turns out coconut is a wonderful way to rehydrate your body without loading on excess sugar and carbs, which other sports drinks usually have. Sports drinks usually contain preservatives, sugar or artificial sweeteners, chemicals, and food coloring. Coconut water is fully capable of acting as a natural sports drink, containing no preservatives or artificial sweeteners. Studies suggest coconut water is an excellent sports drink after light exercise. Rightly called Mother Nature's own sports drink, coconut water has everything that a sports drink contains and a little bit more. Coconut water has 5 times more potassium than the common sports drinks. Potassium helps in relieving muscle cramps. Coconut water is a nutritious and refreshing drink that offers many potential health benefits. It contains antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells. Coconut water is also a good source of nutrition, including vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium, and calcium. It can act as a natural sports drink, providing electrolytes to help rehydrate the body after exercise. Coconut water is also helpful in preventing muscle cramps due to its high potassium, magnesium, and calcium content. It is important to note that while coconut water is a good option for light exercise, it may not provide enough energy or sodium for heavy sweating during a prolonged workout. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.